Hello student, today we will learn how to download a web browser's driver and implement them in your application language in Java language. You can do in any other language, Python or any other, but here we will be doing with the Java right now. So here how we will start it. First of all you need to go to Chrome, search, and here you can type out download Chrome drivers for Windows. And once you will do that, you will get one link is appearing here. You can click on this Chrome for developers. Once you will click it, and you will see there are so many versions available of Chrome on your screen, Chrome drivers. So you can, for testing availability, you can click on that. Chrome for testing availability is appearing in your screen, and now the you can see so many versions here, and here the version is 129.066. This is the latest one, and you can click on this and you can you can see Chrome drivers version for this, Chrome drivers for this. And in the last video we have already we have already seen how we can up to date, how we can set up to date our Chrome browser. So after doing that one, you can download any of these drivers available here. So here I'll be going with the Chrome driver Win64, and this is the version. So if it is not matching, the aim of last video was setting the compatibility. So here once it is matching, you can pick out that from here, this link, and copy this link from here and paste it on your address bar. And once you have done this, click on that, it will get downloaded. And once it has got downloaded, then you can move to that folder. Once you have moved this folder, here you will have to extract it, and once you will extract it, you will get a folder here. Like in this case, in mine case, it is here already appearing. So you need to extract it, and once you will extract, this folder will be appearing something like this. Once it is here, you can click on this, you can click on this. Now you can see here Chrome driver application is appearing here. This file is to be used by you in your Java applications. So now let us go to Eclipse. In the Eclipse, go to Eclipse, and here you need to create a project. So which project you will be creating, give it a name and use that. So I will use here, I'll go here, I'll go to new, I'll go to others, and here I'll create a Java project. Click on this and give it a name, say web project, yes, okay, web project 1, we can give it name, and web project 1. So once it has been given, say next, say finish, and say here open perspective, say no, and it is done. Now once you are with the web project 1, click on this, go to src folder, and better I think if you can include all your drivers here. So go click on right mouse button on it, go to build path and configure your build path, go to class path. It is in the libraries tab, seeing at the top, libraries tab, and the class path is appearing here. Click on the class path, then add external jar files. Here you need to include your all files related to test. So here, because you have to launch your Chrome driver, as I am doing with the Chrome, you can use any web browser please. So think which of your choice, whatever you want, you can pick out from there. So in this case I am selecting this directory that is having all the drivers of for the web launch. So I have selected all the drivers, then I'll click on open method, open, I'll click on open, and then what all here, I have got all the drivers here. Now you can apply this and then apply and close. Once you have done, now you are ready with all your structure and tools available required for testing. So now you can move to src folder, click right mouse button on it, go to new, create a class, and this class name I want to give I'll give launcher, web launcher, web launch class, and give it 1. That will be better, because if you are using more, then put 1 to 3 like that. Go click on this public static void main and say finish. Once you are done, you are here. Now you need to code here. Code for what? Your launching of your web application or web page by using Java. So here what you need to start your system dot set property, and here in the set property you can use set property. Here you will have to define what it is. You need to define Chrome drivers. So what you will do, you will have to write here, give in double quotes, web driver, then you will have to write Chrome, and then you will have to write driver, web driver Chrome dot driver. So done. This string is complete. Now after this, here you need to define path of it, where it is. So for writing path, I think that is a little bigger, so go there itself, directly go there, and what path it is, select it and copy it. And once you have done, go to your Eclipse IDE and then paste that here. And what you have to write? You have to write here Chrome, which file that was? Application file, Chrome driver.exe. Chrome driver.exe file is there. Now you can see it has been underlined with a red line. So you need to change these backslash to slash, double slashes for web. Double slash, and then after this Chrome, for Chrome only single one is required when you are writing the file name. So this error has gone once, and you need to terminate it. Actually I have not terminated. Once this had been done, and now once you have set your path for the web browser and its driver, then you need to create a object of it. So I will create object of it, and with the help of that one I will be calling web browser's methods. So here what class we will be using? Web driver, and what object we will be creating? Say driver. And now I want to create object of this web driver class, so I will write new of, for what? I am using here which browser? Chrome. So I will use Chrome driver. I want to create it, but it is not available. So what to do? So I need to import file. For this. So let us go to import org.selenium, openqa, then selenium, then here this is, let it as it is, because all the file will come up. Another one, org.openqa.selenium, and in that one see, let us, if exact file if we could import. So web driver is there, so say web driver. Now after this, inside the web driver, so this is gone. Now Chrome driver is also required, so import that file also. Import org.openqa.selenium then you have got .selenium, and then what exactly I need Chrome. It is here, Chrome. So this has gone. Now both error are removed. And after this, what I am to do here now, I am to call my page. because now my web browser Chrome will be launched, my browser will be launched, and I can show it directly now. So driver dot open, driver dot get, I am calling now web drivers method, so get method. Inside this I will not write anything, so close it, and then I will driver dot close. I'll not close it, otherwise it will just close it and I won't be able to see. I want to see what exactly it is doing, whether it is able to launch my web browser or not. So just save it and now run this program. Go to Java applications, and if everything is set, here you can see now your Chrome browser is launched. And now once you have launched, here you can type out anything. I mean, you are inside that browser now, and whatever you want to search out, you can search out here. So everything is, so here this was the and now after this you can close it, you can go back that one. So this was a small program how to launch your Java application page. Actually, see, it is here we are supposed to write URL address. So driver.get, you will write URL. So whichever website you want to launch, you can. If you want to launch Google, I will write here google.com. So it will be launching that one. If not, by default Chrome driver will launch that one only. So run it and see what you get. Google is here. In the earlier one I didn't see anything, only browser was there, but in this case Google has come up. But one more thing is here, Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So with this one, with the Java program, you can launch any web browser, but what you will have to do, you will have to download that web browser's driver, and once you will get downloaded, then you will have to incorporate that here. You will have to include some testing files, testing drivers, like here we are using Selenium. So Selenium is being used to launch your web browser, and for this one we are needing two things: one, web driver, and another one is your Selenium drivers for web, for setting compatibility in between of those. And as well as we are downloading Chrome driver application.exe file, so that it will be able to launch it. Your driver are able to launch this exe file, able to run your exe file. So this program was just for launching a web driver, a web browser, by using a Java program. And one thing I'll again say you, please set compatibility of your Chrome drivers and Chrome drivers, which the file which you have loaded, and as well as your web browser, which we did in the last video. So in the next video we will be working on some web applications, or on some web pages, for the purpose of for checking, for testing them. So thanks for seeing this, please.